Hey guys, Pit Review, and so now I have made some maps before, and I mostly send it to friends, and I decided, hey, why don't I teach my homies how to make maps, like this. If I put one over, yeah, and as I'll show you, and I'll try to be like really quick. Okay, let's go.
Let's say you want to do something with like Africa. Okay, so just look up blank Africa map. Then go here. Yeah, here. Save image as blank Africa. Like ignore this. Then you want to go in here. And the program I'm using is Paint.net. You can use any other program, but this is the one I'm using. So if I can find the Africa map right here. So yeah, you got your Africa map, and now, so let's say you want to make a country like I don't know, like big South Africa, like yeah. And what you can do is like, if you want big South Africa to be red or whatever color, you can do this, and yeah, and with this tolerance, it changes how much you want it to be covered. So yeah, that you might need to change the tolerance level depending on the map you have, but yeah. So yeah, that's how you kind of make maps. You can uh make multiple borders, like, wait, no, you can make multiple borders like this, or like this, or like this. I don't know, but yeah, and that's the end of it. If you want to know the program, then it's Paint.net, and I can probably do a part 2 if you want more details. So yeah, that's it, and goodbye.